Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an account on the MonkeyCool app. First, open the MonkeyCool app on your iPhone. When you open the app, look for the option to sign up or create a new account. Choose the available registration option and enter the required information. MonkeyCool may ask you to register using your phone number or a supported third-party platform. If you're asked to verify your phone number, enter the verification code you receive and follow the instructions shown on the screen. Once the registration process is complete, you can set up your profile and start using the app to connect with other users. Keep in mind that MonkeyCool's current terms state that the service is intended for users who are at least 18 years old. So make sure you meet the age requirement before creating an account. MonkeyCool.app. And that's it. You've successfully created your MonkeyCool account and can start exploring the app. This video is made for educational purposes only, and the information shared in this video is based on publicly available information and general app features, not personal experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.